What is the best way to learn stock market? I will tell you the best way literally. The way to learn stock market is to understand that great things take time. So the best way, first of all, is that you should have patience. Secondly, let me discuss. Education takes 4 to 7 years, or your degree takes 4 to 7 years to learn the specific subject or specific designation or specific branch to achieve your degree. Then why do you think that learning share market in 6 to 7 months or only 1 month or 10 days is sufficient? And why do you think to trade in the first year itself? Have patience, learn and educate yourself first. The goal should be to learn an edge and having self-discipline. If you do that, the results will obviously follow you. It will take around 3 to 6 months to learn an edge and around 1 to 2 years to understand the price action theory, plus 2 years for your psychology to actually start developing and you becoming a disciplined person. It is not a get rich quick scheme. Remember, there are levels in this game. Only the market can teach you about the market. You can definitely speed up the process by surrounding yourself with the supporting community. For sure, you definitely cannot avoid the learning about your limits, your emotions and the discipline part. No one can help you with that. Surround yourself with at least 5 community groups to enjoy your stock market journey. And do remember to choose it wisely. Don't ever give up. If you don't see any results right away, any hardship can be overcome. Most people quit too soon. So stay calm and have patience. So always remember to stay calm, have patience, choose your community wisely and gain knowledge.